Hi students, after a long time I'm appearing in the videos. How you are doing in homes, I don't know. Really, by listening of the words of our faculty words, you are following, you are doing, and I hope you are doing all these things. Up to now, in class, we completed the continuity, and after that also, first topic, that means continuation of the topic, differentiability I also started. I explained about the first exercise, that is 5.2 exercise also. I just explained about that. I hope you may completed that one. And actually I started the second exercise onwards. So in the second exercise onwards I just followed it. And in second exercise we started the one condition, that is chain rule condition. Chain rule condition means the differentiation will continue in the till up to d by dx of x. If it is not x means we are continuing it. Like that we follow. So today why I am giving means this is my first video because how it will appear the board and also letters and my voice clarity. For that sake today I am just giving a sample video too. If any demerits if you observe in this, just immediately call to me. I can modify it, and tomorrow onwards my plan was to explain on the board only. And problems means this is it is not possible like our classroom. So what I am doing means directly I will write the question, I will write the solution on the board. I am explaining on that. So take into notes and understand it. If you are having any problem, just immediately call to me. So students, in class means somewhat we are free because of much place is there and discussing is there differently, and by calling your names, I am asking some questions, I am raising doubts and asking also. You people are also responding, and I'm making some different jokes also with you. But now it is not possible that one. So why I'm doing means today onwards I'm just interact with you. How means by showing my face and taking the board also. So students, today what I'm doing means now up to now we completed the continuity and differentiability. Differentiability means what type of topics we completed earlier, that we are going to discuss one more time in this topic. So what means first exercise just is giving a few questions in that directly we are different how we have to differentiate the function. We completed. Chain rule means already we worked some problems like y is equal to tan of 2x plus 3 and differentiate with respect to means d by dx of, that is d by dx of tan 2x plus 3. It is secant square of 2x plus 3. Actually, we know the formula initially d by dx of tan x. Initially d by dx of tan x. But by using that condition d by dx of tan x means we are writing secant square x. But it is not x. That's why we are continuing the differentiation. What we are continuing? D by dx of that part 2x plus 3. So this type of procedure what we are saying means that is nothing but a chain rule. So initial exercise we are doing with the chain rule. Afterwards we learn the implicit function. Implicit function. Implicit function means what type of function? Those are implicit function means actually an equation containing the both variables x plus y is equal to some constant, such type of equation we consider it in this implicit. Implicit means two variables are involving in the same function. Generally y is equal to f of x, such type of functions we are considering, we are differentiating. But implicit function means both act as a variable, one is the independent, second one is the dependent. So whatever it is the functions, different functions, what we are doing means we are differentiating with independent variable only. So such type of functions what we are saying means implicit functions. And next, logarithmic functions. Exponential logarithmic functions, guys, actually we discussed the logarithmic function means we have only one function, that is log x. Log x is only the logarithmic function that related. So at the time of logarithmic function I explained the laws also on that logarithmic functions. Log a b is equal to log a plus b, log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Such type of logarithm functions also we discussed. Exponential function means e power x is the main exponential function, and afterwards in example also we solved d by dx of a power x problem also we solved it. Like that we learn some formulas. After deriving that, inverse trigonometry. Before that only inverse trigonometry functions. Actually, I didn't explain anything to it because inverse trigonometry function means directly I considered the application of inverse trigonometry. I applied differentiation on that. Finally, what we concluded in this inverse trigonometry function means we learned the 6 inverse trigonometry function differentiation. 6 inverse trigonometry differentiation. After understanding the derivative of sin inverse x, derivative of cos inverse x, derivative of tan inverse x, derivative of cot inverse x, we worked some problems on this inverse trigonometric function also. And next is parametric form. Parametric form means, which is the parametric form? So, for the place of x we are using one more variable, for the place of y we are using one more variable. So that variable is making relation between x and y. That variable is making relation between x and y. So with that parameter means in this parameter form we consider two variables. One is the theta and second one is the t. Theta and t are the parameters in this concept. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Such examples we consider, we calculate. In that concept, dx by d theta, dy by d theta we are calculating separately, and finally what we are showing to the result means dy by dx we are calculating. Whatever the model you are considering, final answer we are showing dy by dx. Final answer we are showing dy by dx. Like that, parametric form model we completed. And next one, second order derivative. Already I said about this. What I said, very important out of this complete, because 5 marks question second derivative. Especially should be take more concentrate on this second order derivative test problems. So in the second derivative order test also we calculate some problems. I explain some examples to you. Clear it. And finally, Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Already Rolle's theorem means it has some condition. I already explained the some condition. Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem means common conditions are there. That is, first condition is f is continuous on closed interval of a comma b. F is differentiable on open interval of a comma b. And f of a and f of b values we are calculating. Then after we are taking the different condition. If it is the Rolle's theorem means f of a is equal to f of b means then we are taking f dash of c is equal to 0. We are calculating the value of c. The at least of c should be lie between open interval of a comma b. Mean value theorem means there we are taking f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. We are taking the condition. Again, c should be lie between an open interval of a comma b. Like that, actually after completing of this chapter, once we have to recall what type of models, what type of problems we solved in this chapter. First, you should clear about that topic. After understanding, do you have any doubt on these occasions? That's why I written ILET means for remembering of formulas, for remembering of models, for the sake it is best beneficial to you. ILET condition. ILS means, I means already you know that people. Inverse trigonometric function. L means logarithmic function. A means algebraic function. T means trigonometric function. E means exponential functions. So, inverse trigonometric function related problems we calculated. Logarithmic problems related problems we completed. And algebraic means whatever the exponent on quadratic equation x square minus 2x, such type of quadratic, whatever the problems are there. So already that is called nothing but algebraic means polynomial functions. What type of functions are polynomial functions? Are nothing but algebraic functions. Trigonometric means sin x, cos x, tan x, secant x, cosecant x, cot x. So these are the 6 trigonometric functions also we did. And E means exponential function. Whatever the functions are there, we use it in this differentiation and in different places. Mainly what type of, that's why in one exercise we calculated the 3 methods, guys. One is the product rule in the sense f of x into g of x method, and second one is expand the polynomial. Expand the polynomial is by producting, by dividing, we are getting a single polynomial, then we are differentiating the polynomial. And third one is that is, what is that? So islet means for understanding of what type of function will exist in differentiation chapter. We discussed all this chapter. So those functions, after understanding the derivative of these functions, we substitute in the or in different methods we calculated. Finally, we completed the differentiability means nothing but differentiation. Otherwise, in another manner, we can call it derivatives. Derivatives we can call it. So we completed the derivatives. Continuity completed. In continuity, especially, you should remember the one point that is important point is every continuous function is not differentiable, may or may not be differentiable, but every differentiable function is continuous. What I'm saying, guys, every continuous function is a may differentiable or may not differentiable, but every differentiable function is a continuous function. So by using that conditions, we completed the even Rolle's theorem, mean value theorem, second order derivatives completed, parametric form, and most of the students should be concentrated these topics, guys. What are these? One is the parametric form problems, second one is second order derivative test problems, Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem problems, and logarithmic. That means we are applying both sides, applying log on both sides. Function problems are there now. So each and every student should maintain on that, somewhat take more care on that problems. Clear, guys? So this is our differentiability, and why means today it is one of the sample video. So try to whether it is getting clear to your voice or not. But I want to increase font size. So should tell me through phone. Just send the message to my WhatsApp number. I can understand it. Tomorrow onwards, I'm going to explain application of derivatives on this board only. So tomorrow onwards, I want to explain complete. I will write the solution on board. I am explaining now, because to writing and explaining somewhat difficult to the videos, making videos. If any professional cameras means it is possible, but like this means somewhat problematic I'm getting. So to understand it, and do you have any observing demerits in these videos? Just first send to me. I can modify it. I can modify tomorrow onwards. I will give the right videos to you and again right class to you also. Thank you.